have your headaches been?
It's real good, actually.
Good.
I haven't had them too bad.
Excellent. But you were saying what's hurting now? Your shoulder?
It's like
Your clavicle area?
Yeah, like my collarbone,
Okay.
just on this side.
Okay.
Not on this side.
Do you sleep on this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
All right.
sleep like that.
So that can definitely cause that to compress, so we'll get that adjusted too. Bring your head down this way. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Beautiful. And a little bit higher for the headaches. Very good. All right, put this hand on your hip for me. I'm going to stretch you out. I'm going to push straight back with your elbow. Push, push, push. Push against me. Push harder. Good. Okay. Bring this arm up over your shoulder like this. We're going to pull straight back. There we go. Good. All right. Let me turn this on.